I'm going to try and answer the questions on which I might have a meaningful opinion. This is a wise question. Is a look without desire at a member of the opposite sex sinful? This is a very treacherous, elusive, renegade desire, and we often don't know that it's there. It doesn't have to have physiological manifestations for it to be there. Clearly, the less desire is present, the less sin is present. But it's not the fitrah of human beings for there to be none there whatsoever, unless there's medically something very wrong with you. I think in practice for most of us that is a hypothetical question. Wallahu a'lam.